Good morning, 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 FOV from our view. What's good, y'all? It's your boy E-Money Boss, and I'm half of From Our View. As you guys can tell, there's no Abby, there's no Miss America right next to me. But don't worry, she'll be coming soon to our next destination. Well, my next destination. I am in Dallas, Texas. This is my first time ever being in Texas. And so far, so good. Like, Texas is lit. Like, I love it out here. Like, Dallas is a beautiful city with a beautiful skyline. Speed limit 70 miles per hour. Like, I love it here. I love it here. You know what I mean? And they messed with me. They gave me the Jeep over here. What's good, Mopar gang? But anyway, enough wrapping you guys up. I'm about to, spend my day in Dallas. Got a couple of things going on. The Washington football team is going up against the Dallas Cowboys right here in Dallas for Thanksgiving, and so I had to go ahead and check out my team or whatever. So I'm about to show you guys a little bit of that, and yeah, enjoy the ride, and we'll see you guys soon.
Start with half ounce of hazelnut syrup, half ounce of dried curacao, 2 ounces plantation of Creek rum,
Oh, they're going hot. Yo, what is going on right now? What's happening?
that's our true flame.
Thank you.
Who made this? Who came up with this? Who did this?
He actually got it from he was in Brazil.
Okay.
He was in Brazil and they had a drink that was exactly like this. And
Right.
He wanted to
Make it
bring
up.
that here.
That's awesome, man. That's all. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, they did. Okay, I'm gonna go right here.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna bring this tip up.
They got
Okay.
Oh, this is lit.
Oh, wow.
Dang. This is nice.
The people that matter.
right. Blue Felicia Rashad down here.
Okay.
Hey, good old back home man right here, Dave Chappelle. What's good?
I know you were asking me black. There's a picture of the owner.
Oh, this is the owner right here.
Yes.
This is dope. Our Morris, man, he be
Oh, yeah.
all the money to the school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, hey, I gotta get a picture of him, man.
Gotta get a picture.
This is nice.
Oh, you want to do this one?
Wants another bar up here.
Okay.
Happy birthday. if she wanted to take a picture.
Yeah, let me get a picture. I'm gonna get a boomer. You know what the part about to answer right now. Probably should have said you have everything covered. Oh, this is nice.
It's called pre-vet.
Oh wow.
Dang.
You can reserve seating here as well. Yeah, people take pictures right there, or sometimes right here.
What is this overlooking? What's this? A hood?
Yeah. This is like one of those like secret back door
Yeah,
clubs,
Like what's on a movie?
yeah, exactly. Like all cigar smoke and deals being made back there. Yeah.
So the owner, he's a lawyer, and I think his law firm is actually like in this same building.
Oh, that's dope.
Still learning a lot, but dang.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like, you know, lunch, I'm gonna just go to my restaurant and just grab a drink.
You guys come on over.
Yeah, right.
Nice.
Nah, we're glad that we made it.
Were y'all expecting this to be open because it's like the holidays?
Well, we knew y'all was gonna be open. We didn't know you was gonna be curtains.
Yeah. We got y'all.
Oh, look at y'all.
Do y'all say y'all in Maryland?
Yeah, what's your store in front of y'all? It's like insecure. I don't know if you want insecure with Issa Rae.
Yeah.
Yes, her job she worked for us. We got y'all.
Oh yes, I love Issa. I've been watching Awkward Black Girl on YouTube.
for
and
real?
so I was so happy to see HBO like supporting her.
Yeah, that's dope. That's
She
dope.
is funny.
I feel like you connect with us so much. Like, I feel like you're like a family member. Like,
Y'all my cousin.
yeah, right. Cousin. I'll get a discount on food.
Hey, oh man, the Boondock jump right here. Yo, how did I miss this?
This Jay-Z and P. Diddy, right?
Right, but they put Huey and Wiley on there.
Yeah, from Boondock.
That shit is fire. We'll use this for a couple of years. Make sure it's safe.
Right, exactly.
You said government first.
Yeah, man, so I'm trying to get that jump. You already got it. That's a good one. I got a good one, though.
Yo, this is True Kitchen. This True Kitchen, right? That's the name of the joint? Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all gotta fuck with this joint. This joint, fire. Look at that. Oh man. Ooh. What's good, y'all? We about to be at the stadium. Yo, we just had some bomb food. Yo, y'all come to Dallas. Yo, y'all come to Dallas, Texas. Y'all know, I need to go to downtown Truth Kitchen. Waitress name is Heavenly. And yo, she got us right. She got us right. That junk, like, y'all gonna see all this footage right here. This shit look lit. Shrimp and grits, fried chicken. I don't even need to warm it up. I can eat it room temperature, okay? Room temperature. But yeah, we about to walk into Jerry's Bro real quick. I'm about to go take a dump. And then, but yeah, we'll catch y'all in a minute.
How you doing?
Just cell phone.
Okay.
Just cell phone.
I'm sure.
Y'all enjoy? Deacon, please. Deacon.
We made it to Jerry World. Hey man. Cowboys are some bums. You hear me? It's like God, I've never seen such an ugly, beautiful stadium in my life.
Zeke Elliott with the short yardage game.
Yo, this stadium is crazy. Hey, happy Thanksgiving from Jerry's World. The score is 41-16. Yeah, that's it for y'all. Hey, bye-bye.